السلام عليكم، مرحبا بكم في درس جديد من دروس السندبات الإلكترونية. Today our lesson is for Welcome Grade 3 Lesson 27 Pupils Book page 40 Part 2. This is Part 2. Okay? Now listen and read. Listen and read. If you have CDs at home, you can listen and look at this story. It's very fun to look at. Okay, if you have it at home, open your CDs and look at part 2. Now Mr. Evans here in picture number 1, they are in the science lab, مختبر مع العلوم, and Mr. Evans is their new science teacher, معلمهم الجديد مع العلوم. Mr. Evans says, get your notebooks out. Get your notebooks out. طلعوا دفاتر الملاحظات. Oscar says, we always write in this lesson. He's talking with Eddie. He's whispering him. He says, we always write in this lesson. Oscar يتكلم ويا Eddie. قل له احنا دائما always دائما we always write in this lesson دائما نكتب بهذا الدرس. Eddie says I know أنا أعلم I don't like science لا أحب درس الساينس. Now number 2, Mr. Evans write first take the blue bottle. He's making an experiment. يسوي تجربة. فصحيح first أولاً take the blue bottle ناخذ القنينة البطل الأزرق then heat the round dish ونسخن الصحن الدائري. heat the round dish ده يسوي لنا تجربة. okay now be very careful تنتبهون تديرون بالكم very careful be very careful. now بهالأثناء إدي يتحرك هواية making strange moves وأوسكار he's asking him Eddie what's the matter شنو المشكلة شنو دا يشغل بالك وتتحرك بالدرس. Eddie I can't find my bag لا أستطيع أن أجد حقيبتي ضيع الحقيبة his bag is lost. I usually put it under my desk أنا عادة أضع الجنطة مالتي under the desk تحت الرحلة. number 3 now Mr. Evans says okay let's wait and see what happens. خلينا ننتظر ونشوف نتائج التجربة. what happens إيش راح يحدث. بهالأثناء Eddie found his bag. good there is my bag هاي حقيبتي. now when he tried to pull it and take it حاول يسحبها وياخذها. the table was upside down انقلبت المائدة الميز. okay الميز اللي دي يسوي عليه التجربة مستر إيفانز. so Eddie look at Eddie. wow I don't usually like science lessons أنا عادة ما أحب درس الساينس usually عادة but this lesson is great ولكن هذه التجربة هذا الدرس ممتع great عظيم. why because Mr. Evans now look at Mr. Evans he's blue انقلبت عليه المواد وصار أزرق and all of them are laughing. look at the students they are laughing. wow I don't usually like science lessons أنا عادة لا أحب درس الساينس but this lesson is great هذا الدرس عظيم. okay if you have CDs you can look at it it's very funny. now let's do this exercise. now read again and write yes or no. so listen read the story again and find yes or no for number 1. They never write in their science lessons. They never write يعني أبد ما يكتبون بدرس الساينس. never يعني عمل أبد ما يسووه، أبد ما يكتبون. never و always و usually راح ناخدها إن شاء الله بالدروس القادمة. يسموها adverbs of frequency، ظرف التكرار. إذا عندي فد عمل يكرر كم مرة نستعمل هاي الكلمات. أوكي. never أبد أبدا. They never write in their science lesson. The answer is no. Number 2, Eddie can't find his bag. Can't find لا يستطيع أن يجد حقيبته. In the story, yes, he can't find his bag. 3, Eddie usually puts his bag on his desk. He usually puts his bag on his desk. Look at the story. He puts his bag under the desk. So the answer is no, not on his desk, under his desk. 4, Eddie doesn't usually like science lessons. Eddie عادة لا يحب درس الساينس. He doesn't usually like science lesson. Yes, because here Eddie says I don't usually like science lessons. The answer is yes. Yes. Thank you very much and hope to see you next lesson. Goodbye.